So I'll be showing you how to add text to photos or images on your iPhone. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these same instructions can be used on other iPhone models. So what you need to do is go to the Photos app on your iPhone and identify that photo that you want to add text on. So let me select this one, for instance. So what you need to do is tap on Edit in the upper right side. That opens the photo editor, and then you want to tap on this pen icon at the top here. Okay, so just next to the three dots you should see the pen icon. So tap on that, and that opens the markup editor. Tap on the plus symbol here in the bottom right side, and then select text. So that's going to add a text box on your photo. So you can see the text box here. You can move it wherever you want. Okay, and then you can double tap inside to select the current default text, delete that, and put in your own text. So once you finish typing and you tap anywhere outside, you can tap on the text, and as soon as you tap on it, the formatting options will appear at the bottom of the screen. So you can tap this format icon with two letters, AA, tap on that. Then you can change the font of the text. You can change the size of the text by using this slider. You can also choose the alignment if you want it to be aligned left, center, right, or no alignment at all. And then you can change the text color. You can even choose your own custom color. And when you're happy with everything, you can now just tap anywhere on the photo and then tap done in the top right corner, and then confirm again by tapping on done. And now that photo will always have that text. So that's basically how to add text to a photo on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.